If you want to use Poe AI on your PC, the good news is you don't need any special software or complicated setup. You can use it directly in your browser or install it as an app for a smoother experience. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Poe AI on PC step by step. First, open your browser on your PC, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to Poe AI's official website. Once it loads, you'll see the chat interface and bot selection screen. Next, sign in using your Google account, Apple ID, or email. If you're new, you can create an account in just a few seconds. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of AI bots like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more. Just click on any bot to start chatting. Now click on a bot and type your first message. You can ask questions, generate content, or even use it for study and work tasks. One powerful feature on PC is that you can compare different AI models side by side. This helps you see which AI gives the best answer for your task. Since you're on a PC, you can type longer and more detailed prompts using your keyboard, which helps you get better and more accurate results. If one bot doesn't give the answer you want, you can instantly switch to another model without losing your workflow. You can also install Poe AI as a desktop app on Windows or Mac for faster access and a more app-like experience instead of using the browser. On PC, Poe AI is especially useful for writing blogs, coding help, research, and generating content quickly with larger screen space and better control. And that's how to use Poe AI on PC. Yeah, once you get comfortable using it on a bigger screen, it becomes way easier to manage chats and compare AI models. Thanks for watching, and good luck using Poe AI.